don't make me, I make money.
Yo, guilty act.
Hey y'all, it's me Lamide. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming back if you are not new here. And if you're new here, you hit that subscribe button. Okay, sis, like hit it. It's down below. It looks red. It's like red and it says subscribe. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos from me. I am a natural hair YouTuber. I style my 4C natural hair and show you guys just how easy it is to manage 4C hair. So as you guys know, I like to try to keep my intro short. So let's get right into what we're doing today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this low, sleek puff with my short 4C hair. If you guys have been here before, you know my hair is not this long. So anyways, make sure you guys stay tuned. Keep watching if you'd like to see how I got this look. It's very easy, it's very cheap, and you're going to love it. Hello. So, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my thick 4C hair into a low bun, okay, or a low ponytail. So we're gonna take all of this and we're gonna make it like flat, boom, like that. You feel me? You feel me? I'm actually going to do a talk through. I know I haven't done a talk through in a while, but I'm here today and you guys can see me and my personality. Right now, I have freshly washed hair. We're gonna go ahead and do a middle part today. I'm gonna start off by just kind of parting my hair down the center, right across. See, and this is why I never do voiceovers, because these people are always cutting the grass or power washing the driveway or the roof, or like always some damn noise outside. So first I'm gonna, of course, start off by putting leave-in conditioner in my hair. Because lock method, okay? We want our hair to be moisturized for sure, and we want our scalp to keep crying down our face. So now that I have my leave-in conditioner in my hair, I'm going to, of course, add my oil. So now, what I'm gonna do, the star of our show, is my good friend, Eco Style Shea. Take this first section over here. And I'm just gonna put some gel in it. Yes, take that. And now that I have gel all through my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and comb the gel through. And the reason that I'm combing my hair, as I've mentioned in some of my other videos, is because if I want my hair to be flat, I have to make sure my hair is tangle free. Because tangle free hair lays flat and tangled hair doesn't lay flat. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through with a wide tooth comb, starting at the ends and making my way up to my roots. So now that all my hair is detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and gather it together back here, you know. Alright, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the two sides of my hair. I'm going to add the gel and detangle it, and I'll be back. To make sure that my part is as centered as possible, I take my handy dandy rat tail comb and put it right in the center of my nose and just kind of make my way up my face. And bam! So now that I'm getting further to the top of my head, I'm going to, be extra sure to detangle it because I want this area to lay as flat as possible. So far, I've already detangled all of this sections and put gel. So yeah, as you can see, it's like super detangled. I'm gonna just go ahead and take this area kind of like in small-ish section. So once I'm finished, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb this whole section towards the back of my head and just kind of keep it real flat. So I'm gonna join this section with the rest of my hair, and I'm going to use my handy dandy hard bristle brush to flatten my hair out some more. Sorry guys. I had to take the plant out of the way because my camera was focusing on that instead of me, and I just, no. Now that I have my hair in the initial ponytail, I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and just kind of smooth my hair out. As we see, my middle part got a little messed up. It's not quite middle. So we're going to fix the middle part. Now that I've got my parting the way I want it to, I'm going to take some more gel, just a little bit more gel, and just kind of smooth it over this section of hair, and then use my hard bristle brush to smooth these areas down. So of course, since I don't have like super long hair, I'm gonna have some pieces that don't actually want to get back in that ponytail. So that's where my handy dandy bobby pins come in. So I'm gonna get my bobby pins, and I'm just going to bobby pin my hair all around over here, to be honest, just to get anything and everything. And then once my hair is dry, I'll be able to take the bobby pins out. Now that my hair is in the ponytail, I'm just gonna take one of these things. I don't really know what this thing is called. Use that on my hair just to help my hair lay flat. And for extra reinforcement, I'm going to use my black scarf. Y'all know I love this black scarf. Oh, my hair look crazy back there, huh? Alright, black scarf, come through.
Several days later.
I need to go get a ponytail because, okay, this is enough. Alright, you guys, so a couple days have passed because I was being really lazy about going to the hair store, so yeah. But I finally went to the hair store and I finally got me a ponytail, so yay. If it makes you guys feel any better, I've been walking around with this sad ponytail for like 2 days. So I'll be using this Afro puff ponytail. I got it from Elegant Beauty Supply Store, and it is a Janet collection puff. The style is Afro Lady. So this drawstring ponytail has a little clip inside it right here, right? So I'm just going to take the comb and put it right in my hair. And then I will just tuck my real puff into the hair. Oh, hello. Hello. And then just for some extra security, I'm gonna go ahead and bobby pin my hair. So now that I have the puff on, I'm going to take my scissors to it because this isn't exactly the look I was going for. Well, I love this look, you know, for when I'm porting it up. You feel me? I want this to be more like an everyday or like an interview bun, so I'm gonna have to trim this down. So, you know, I'm just gonna take my handy dandy hair scissors and I'm just gonna go to town with this, okay? I kind of know the shape that I want it to be, so I'm just gonna go towards that shape and hope I don't mess things up, you know what I'm saying? So now that it's on my head, I'm just gonna like play with it and make sure it looks how I want it to. You know, like a natural puff, like a big ass puff. You know, I think we are done. So this is my final look. This is actually exactly what I was going for. Like, this is hype. Like, this is lit. This is what I wanted. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like, you know, this is very natural looking. It looks like this is my own hair. This is my puff. You feel me? Like, thank you guys so much for joining me on this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more of me and see more styles by me, because I be styling low key, okay? Lamide, cue the slow-mo shots.
Shea, baby, bugging up your pillow. Touch me, take me, kiss me, love me, and pray.
I make money. Don't come around me acting funny. I got a girl, don't say you love me. My teen tastes like chicken curry. Go low, go low, 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 go low, hey, go low, 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 go low.